Hello guys, welcome back to your one and only channel, The Market Forecast. And today we are going to dive deep into the market analysis, where we are seeing the market, NASDAQ, S&P 500, some commodities, gold, silver, and top 10 stocks, including Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, and everything. So let's get into the screen. All right, guys, if you can see my screen here, we can see a couple symbols including NQES, gold, silver, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Broadcom, Tesla, Meta, Walmart, and AMD. So we are going to dive deep into the market analysis for all of these. So let's start from one, NQ. NQ is a future contract for NASDAQ. So it's going all-time high today, and I think it is going to go more because remember one thing, when price is going all-time high, there is something that smart money knows better than the retail investor or retail traders. So always follow the smart money. Here we can clearly see that this is a big move. It's coming a little bit down here and then it goes up. By the way, guys, this is we captured like 25% approximately when there is a war going on between US and Iran. So here, this is the supply zone. If market goes below to this level, there is a negative trend. And if the market stay above this level, there is a possibility to go higher more. Now, let's go to number two, ES. ES is a future contract for S&P 500, where S&P 500 is a top 500 companies in the United States. So let's do analysis. So here, so the similar thing happened here as well. We captured pretty much 15%. And I would say this is the supply point for the market. If the market crossed this level, 72.95, if it's go below to this level, there is a negative downtrend. But if it stays above this point, I guess this is going more up. Now moving to number three, it's GC. GC is a future contract for gold. So let's see, I don't see any pattern here. It is still juggling between 5,400 to 4,300. So if it break these, there is a downtrend. If it goes above the 5,400 point, then there I see there is another rally, like we have previous rally in the gold. If you can see here, where it start from $2,000 and went to almost 5,500, 54. So it's like more than the double, but this is like period that is just moving from one level to another level. Once it's break any of the level, there is a good entry. Moving to number four, SI. SI is a future contract for silver. So I think there's a similar behavior as gold. If you can see, it's going from 120 here, 120 to 64 level here, 120 to 64. I think this is similar thing as a gold. If it's go below to 64, there is a negative trend. If it's go below above 120, there is a strong movement that you can see in the silver. It started from $30 here like 6 months ago, and then it's not 6 months ago, I guess, a year back. And before starting 2026, it went up almost 300%. So this is another thing that keep in mind. Moving to number five, Nvidia. Nvidia currently is very bullish. It break previous high 210 and goes up to 235 level. It's coming back. I guess it's gonna touch somewhere here and have another rally like we see this. So this is still trending. It's continuing. I can see it's going about 250 somewhere, but now this is like a $5.5 trillion company. So let's see what's going in the future. Moving to number five, Apple. This is a very good trend. If you can see, there is a pattern forming W, and it is now all-time high. So if the trend continues, then I see this going to 130 or 40 even. But at some point, it will come back to here, then I guess it's a very good time to buy the Apple somewhere around 290 to 280. And then if it's touched this point, then it will go up again. So this is just the analysis, guys. You do your own analysis before buy or sell your stocks or even change your portfolio. Now moving to another stock, Microsoft. I don't see any pattern for Microsoft. So for now, if I want to buy, I would wait until if it's go below this point or go above this point. See, there is a strong resistance at this level. and there is a strong pullback at this level, and we are in the middle. So this is still like a negative trend, because if you see it from last year, it's already down 25%. So now this is this black line considered as a 200 moving average, and now it's below to that. So I would wait if I want to buy, but if you have it in your portfolio, take a look this one. If it's go above, then this is a strong move to keep it. Otherwise, it's do your own due diligence and see what you guys want to do. Now moving on to next, Amazon. Amazon is a very bullish currently. See, it's forming a W pattern. Now it's came back from the top and it's starting to go up again from this level. I see it can go around 100 290 somewhere, but let's see. There is a resistance around this level. If it's break 278, the stock goes to 290 easily. So this is the Amazon analysis. Now moving to Google. Google is it's a pretty good company. We are using it every single day, and they're investing their money into AI currently. So if you can see this growth from last year here, it start from 2025 April, and now if you can see it is almost up 170%, which is a huge move. And if you see it, this is currently as an all-time high, and this is their resistance point, and the current price is 382, and the resistance around $400. So it's not much gap, so it can come back to any point and goes up to 400, up somewhere around 440. So let's see in the what's going to happen. Same thing, here we go. It's a very good semiconductor. The resistance and the current price has a not much difference. I guess it can come back more anytime, and it can go to 460. Moving to next one, Tesla. I would wait if I want to buy Tesla, because there is a two resistance around the same around from last 2 years. If you can see, this is from 2024 December, and now we are in 2026 May. So from 2 years, it can, like came back from this level 490 to almost 220, like half, and then came back and then goes down and then coming up. So I would wait until it break this point, and then there is a good time to buy. Let's see next one, Meta. It's a very good move earlier, but now if you can see it from last 6 months, it's still juggling between this point. And same thing, I would wait if I want to buy. It can goes above $800, then there is a good move to buy. Or other words, if it break this point, 485, then there is a downtrend. I see it in the chart. So moving to next one, Walmart. Walmart just dropped after its earning. I see their earning it's very good. It's surprising by 0.001, and their revenue is also increasing, but some reason stock just goes down by 133 to 120. It's a 10% movement, even if the very good even if Walmart has a very good earning. So I guess it can touch to this 200 moving average and goes up again, but let's see in the future. Moving on to next, AMD. This is a very good stock currently. If you can see, this is its support and resistance previously. At this point, it came back to this point, and then there's a straight up rally. I think it's over 100%. Yeah, it's over 145, and currently it's all-time high. So I want to buy, AMD is very good, but keep that in mind. Here there is a support. If it's break this support to $402, there are highly chances that it can go back to here, which is very far from its high currently, with it's around 260. So yeah, there is a risk in this one, but there is a huge reward as well, because it can go to around 550 or 600. But yeah, let's see the future what's gonna happen. So if you like this analysis, please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what stock is on your portfolio and what do you think about all of this. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in the next video.